Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders. So today we'll be analyzing AUDCAD, right? So this is the weekly time frame, and let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we saw how price came right here on the 31st of March, right? So and then swept this external liquidity and this low that has been created a long time ago, that's around 2023. And then after price swept it, even before price swept it, there was a break of structure that happened right here, right? So zooming in, you can see right that price actually after price broke this structure, price came back to this order block right here, right? And currently price is reacting off the order block, but our expectation is that since price broke structure bearish, price is going to continue bearish, right? So that's pretty much what we are expecting, right? So but then let's go to the daily time frame to see what's happening. All right, so zooming in down to the daily time frame, we can see when price was previously trading it back into this weekly time frame order block. So it gave us multiple break of structures bullish, but then right when price got to this point, we had a change of character bearish. Remember what I told you guys that whenever we see a change of character, it means there's a possibility for reversal, right? So when a change of character happened here, we see how price came back to this order block and respected it and traded lower, and we were able to capitalize on this move. And also when price broke structure again, price came back to this order block again, and we're also able to catch that move as well, right? So after price came right here, and price was trading lower, price was supposed to come and break a new structure lower, right? But then price failed to do that. Instead, price swept the low, right? And then we called it a liquidity sweep now, right? And then price came and changed character bullish. Now, and then when price changed character bullish, we had a new break of structure here, bullish, and then all of a sudden we see how price came, change character bearish again. Now, remember what I told you guys, whenever you see a change of character, it means there's a possibility for a reversal, right? So right from this point, we know that there's a possibility for a bearish continuation, right? So following the weekly time frame order flow, right? So that's actually the expectation currently. But then I was looking at the market, right? So this looking at how price acted right from here, we see that this very zone is where price actually got supported from. And then when price got supported from this zone, price, instead of trying to break structure here before going higher, price actually left a liquidity sweep, right? So price would actually continue bullish, but right from here, using the market structure, we know that first we have a possibility for a reversal, or it could also be this very change of character that happened right here. It could be a liquidity sweep, it could be a reversal, right? Any either of them. But then what we should do right now is that we can position ourselves to take sell right from this very point, right? So when price gets to this point, we can look for confirmation and take a sell. That if it presents itself, but then if it doesn't give it to us and then later comes here to break structure bullish, that's also fine, right? So it means once price change and break structure from here, it means that this was actually to sweep liquidity right below this low, right? But then for right now, as long as price is still within this level, we are looking for sales, right? So that's pretty much it. You can narrow it down to the 4 hour time frame to find your entries. Let's say you can refine it to this order block on the 1 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, and get your entries, right? So once price comes right here, you can start looking for confirmation to take a sell, right? So when you take your sell right from here, you will target these lows, and these lows, right? So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. If you like what I do here, make sure you follow, like, share, subscribe, and that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I'm going to drop the link to my Telegram community on this video description, and also if you want to copy my trade, I'm also going to drop the link on this video description, right? So thank you very much, guys.